So we spoke about what we need to do to keep the germs off of our hands. We need to wash them. But, for some children, it might be hard for you to understand why we need to wash our hands because I look at my hands and they look clean. I don't see any germs on them. Look, they're all clean. So we have a little experiment that you can try at home. And it will help you explain why we got to wash our hands even if we don't see the germs. So I'm going to take a paper towel and fold it in half just like this. And I'm going to trace my hand. Parents, you can help your children do that. Children, if mommy lets, you can try all by yourself. I'm going to trace my hand. Just like that. Okay, see my hand here? Now, I'm going to take the paper towel and open it up. And I'm going to add some spots here. I'll take my colored marker and add some green over here. And children, you can choose what colors you want to color with. And some pink over here. This might work better with a thinner paper towel. Bounties are a little bit thicker. And some red germs over here. Let me add some yellow germs. Now, I close my napkin and I'm looking at my hand. I don't see any germs here, but the germs are there hidden. Let me show you how. When we put it in. See that? We don't always see the germs that are on our hands, but we got to make sure we wash them off because they're there. You can try this at home with your own mommy and daddy. When you put it in the plate of water, the germs will show up.